Julian.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Sorry for noise here. Good afternoon everyone.
Good
Good
afternoon, sir.
How are
afternoon,
you
sir.
today? How are you today? Raka, how are you today,
I'm
Raka?
fine. I'm fine, sir. What about you?
LD, oh, I'm fine. I'm very fine. LD, how are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm doing good, sir.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah ya. And then before we start the class, let me check your attendance list first. Yeah. The first one is Ananda Dharma Putra. Ananda Dharma Putra is here.
Person is sir.
Okay, good. Chandra Kusuma W. Wardana. Chandra
Present,
Kusuma
sir.
Wardana.
Present.
Sounds good, Chandra. And then Devan. Where is Devan? Devan, are you here, Devan?
Present.
Yes, yes,
Present.
yes. Good, good. And then Hikmatullah Ridho. Are you here? Are you with me? Hikmatullah.
Hadir Mas,
Hikmatullah.
hadir. Hadir Mom,
Okay.
hadir Mom.
Sounds good. And Muhammad LD Syaputra.
Hadir, Pak.
And the last one is Raka Bayu.
Hadir, Wak.
Okay. Sounds good. Alhamdulillah. Today, I want to present procedure text material. But before we start the class, let me introduce myself. My name is Abdullah Muafid, and I'm the youngest of five siblings born in Bekasi back in April 2004. My education has been quite the adventure, taking me from Al Arabi schools in Cikarang to the Imam Bukhari Islamic boarding school in Solo. Before jumping into university, I took a gap period to pursue my passion for football, working as an assistant coach at a soccer academy in Solo. It was a rewarding chapter, and it prepared me perfectly for my next big step. I am now a sixth semester student at Indraprastha PGRI University. And the next slide. What is the procedure text? Anyone can? What is the procedure text? The definition: a procedure text that explains, shows, or provides instructions on how to make or do something through sequence of actions or steps. It provides chronological sequences of action, breaking complex tasks down into simple, easy to follow steps. The social function is to describe how something is achieved through a sequence of action or steps, allowing the reader to reach the final goal successfully. And then, general structures. In terms of procedure text, we have at least three general structures, namely, the first one is goal. Goal is the statement of what is to be made or done, usually reflected in the main title of the text. Example, how to make a cup of tea. The goal is to make a cup of tea. And the second, materials. Materials mean the list of ingredients, tools, or equipment needed to complete the process or activity. And the last one is steps. Steps, the series of instructions or chronological steps to reach the final goal successfully. And then now, how about the grammar? Language features. In terms of procedural text, we have at least four language features. Namely, the first one is simple present tense used to state general facts or basic instruction that apply at any time. And the second, imperative sentences. Common sentences used to give direct instruction. Example, boil the water, stir the spoon. And the number three, action verbs. Verbs that expresses a physical action. Example, mix, pour, and stir. And the fourth and the last one, temporal conjunction. Conjunction. Sequence connectors to organize chronological steps. Example, first, second, next, finally, and finally. Okay. Okay. To see how it all comes together, let's look at this simple example. Here is an example of a precedent text. How to make a cup of tea. Uh, the materials: warm water, a tea bag, sugar, a cup, and a spoon. For the steps, uh, first, boil some fresh water in a kettle. Second, next, put the tea bag into your cup. And then pour the hot water over the tea bag and let it steam. And finally, add some sugar and stir while using a spoon. Okay, let's practice. Write your own procedure text it yourself. Write a simple procedure text on the topic how to make a fried noodles. Maybe I want to students for this practice. Yeah. On the topic how to make a fried noodles and how to make a cup of coffee. Determine the goal, materials, and steps in a clear and structured order. Who want who want to answer or who want to practice with the procedure text, please? Or I choose randomly.
Terserah Pak, terserah.
Okay, okay. I think I choose Raka Bayu.
Oh, yes
What
sir.
Deden? Deden? What about Deden? Deden? What mean you with your raised hand, Deden? Oh, no answer from Deden. Okay, next for how to make fried noodles is for Raka, and how to make a cup of coffee for LD. Please answer or please give me a procedure text.
Okay sir, let me answer.
Okay, okay, Raka. Okay, slowly ya Raka ya, slowly
Type.
and clearly ya.
Okay sir. Okay sir. Procedure text: how to make fried noodles. The goal is to make delicious fried noodles.
Ya, ya.
Ingredients: first, have 1 pack of instant noodles
Uh-huh.
or 200 grams of noodles.
Ya.
Second is grab 1 egg. The third 2 cloves of garlic and chopped.
Mhm.
4 is 1 tablespoon cooking
Can,
oil.
can you repeat,
5,
Raka? Can you repeat?
uh, 4 step is 1 tablespoon of cooking oil
Yeah,
and sweet soy sauce.
yeah.
6 is salt and pepper.
Okay.
Okay, the step. First, boil the
Then
noodles
and the
in
next
hot
steps.
water till they are soft. Can you hear me, sir?
Uh, can you repeat, Raka? Can you repeat it again? One more
Yes.
from the steps.
Now, the step first, first step is boil the noodles in hot water
Yeah.
until they are soft.
Okay.
Next,
Next.
next, drain the noodles and set them aside.
Okay.
Terus, heat the cooking oil in a frying pan.
Okay.
Next is saute the chopped garlic until fragrant,
Hmm?
and also crack the egg into the pan and scramble it. Also add the vegetables and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay.
And next, put all the ingredients into the bowl. Terus the last one is stir all the ingredients very well until it mix. The result is fried noodles are ready to serve and enjoy. Is it
Masya
clear,
Allah,
sir?
Raka. Masya Allah, Raka. Good answer, Raka. Masya Allah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your answer, ya, Raka. Okay, the next one is Muhammad LD, ya.
Oh yes,
For
sir.
how to make a cup of coffee, ya, Muhammad LD.
Okay, how to make a cup of coffee? The goal
Uh-uh.
is to make a cup of coffee, sir.
Yeah,
For the ingredients, one sachet of Leon coffee, sir.
yeah, Leong. I like it, Leong coffee. Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
You
sir.
like it, LD?
Yes.
Leong coffee.
Yes, of course, of course.
Okay, yeah.
And 1 cup of hot water, sir.
Okay.
For the step is boil water until it's hot. After
Uh-huh.
that, put the coffee powder into a cup.
Yeah.
After put the coffee powder, pour the hot water into the cup, sir.
Uh-huh.
After you pour the hot water, you stir the mixture well until the coffee and
Sorry, sorry.
until the
I'm sorry,
coffee
LD.
dissolve.
Can you repeat it again?
Stir the mixture well until the coffee
Yeah.
dissolves, sir.
And then?
And after after the coffee dissolve, serve the coffee while it is still hot, sir. And the result is a cup of coffee is ready to drink.
Masya Allah, Ahmad LD answer the question nicely and clearly. Masya Allah. I appreciate it, LD. Thank you for your answer, LD. Okay. Any question, guys? Any question, class?
No, Mister, no.
Yeah, Devan. Any question, Devan?
No question.
Okay, if there are no question, what if there are no any questions, I will now close this meeting. I think enough for this meeting, and I hope can you keep the learn can you keep learning English, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for everyone for attending this class. Okay, see you next week, ya.